Si Sandro Marcos, dito, tameme sa mga katanungan po ni Toby Tiangco, ni Congressman Toby Tiangco. Merong hinahanap po si Congressman Tiangco na hindi mailabas o parang mayroong yatang pinagtatakpan ito. Panoorin natin ang video.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and look at the particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may be taken up with the Committee on Appropriations separately. So
Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan?
We will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance. So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
The Honorable Toby Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, initiative, errata, for the boys SOP. So ang initiative at errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec. Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa small committee. So I would like to ask the Chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025. Wait, bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko? Hindi naman kasama yung sagot.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is a public record. This is in accordance with our rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi na that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
This representation was not the Appropriations Chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was
No,
not the
let's ask the
appropriations
committee
chair.
chair. Let's ask
at
the
the time.
committee secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?
Meeting suspended. As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Madam
we will,
Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
we
So
will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Mer-
have to look into the records.
How
May
can-
I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala.
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report. Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules.
Daming bumilib talaga ngayon dyan kay Congressman Toby Tiangco. Kaya yung mga magna, kinabahan na. Dahil may mga hinahanap nga na hindi nila mailabas. May hinahanap nga na porang questionable talaga. Pero itong ibang pansinin nyo, itong ibang mga congressman, para namang alam nila pero parang ayaw nilang sabihin. Ganun ba? Ako nagtatanong lang ha. Kasi ito naman si Congressman Toby Tiangco. Gusto lang na malaman sa publiko kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa budget. May punto naman siya na kailangan bago tayo umusad doon sa 2026 budget, aprubahan yung trilyon na naman na budget, dapat malaman kung paano ginamit yung 2025 budget. Meron bang binawas? Meron bang dinagdag? Nasaan na yung mga records? Saan na yung mga... kung saan napunta? Yung mga hiningi lang naman ay napakasimple kung wala namang tinatago, di ba? Yun nga lang, alam po natin na hindi po lahat ng mga congressman na talagang gustong maging maayos yung usapan at mailabas yung katotohanan. May mga matitino at meron ding tino-tinuan. Pero yung katotohanan, merong pinagtatakpan. Pero itong inaasahan nating anak ng Pangulo, bakit mukhang tameme dyan? Yung number 1 pang pumirma sa pagpapa-impeach kay BP Sara, tameme dyan. Akala ko ba magaling yan? Akala ko ba matalino yan? Eh bakit ayaw niyang sumagot yan? Bakit ayaw niyang magyaw-yaw din dyan? Ano kaya yung nasa isip niya? Bubulong-bulong lang sa likuran niya? Aba, eh sayang naman yung nagtitiwala sa'yo, sa galing mo, sa talino mo. Kung hindi namin marinig, sasabihin mo. Itong si Toby Tiangco, maraming nagsasabi na dapat siya ang naging speaker. Sa galing niya at sa kagustuhan niya na yung wala talagang tinatago sa usapin ng budget, yan ang kailangan natin. Eh yung iba, mukhang kaduda-duda. May tinatago ba? Ako'y nagtatanong lang ha. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.